What's happening, folks? Well, I'm a little bit bored today, so I think I'm going to build something. Got a couple of ideas. Was wanting to make something for one of my kids, so hopefully they'll think it's pretty cool, and hopefully you will too. So, with that being said, here we go. Alright guys, well, I got this thing finished up. I am actually pretty happy with the way that it turned out. I think it's kind of cool, you know. And that was the first time I got to play with my new little MIG welder. First time ever using one to begin with, so that was a learning experience and a heck of a lot of fun. So if you are new to the channel, make sure to go over and hit that subscribe button, tap that like button, and don't forget to hit the little bell. Whee! Probably going to start working on another knife here soon. That one's going to be going out to a buddy of mine at the American Joe show, so definitely be a cool thing to do. So stay tuned for that. And that's pretty much it, guys. Have a good night.